Hi friends, this is the DR.ÖTEK lightweight metal detector. This can be used by adults or multifunction with Pinpointer, big waterproof coil. So this comes with a big waterproof coil and you can use it in the water as well, and these are all the accessories. This also comes with the digger, and it's like a high quality digger to dig the ground if there is anything in the main unit. There the programmable main unit and the accessories like for the handle. So we need to assemble this before we can use and test. These are all the accessories that comes into the package and with the manual, and the manual is in English, so it's pretty good to read and understand everything. So as I mentioned that there is a multifunction ring with the pointer with a big waterproof coil that can goes live for the greater depth, and there is a big backlit LCD, and that is a innovative memory mode with the digger shovel that I showed you, and the rain cover and a carry bag. So this all comes along with this package, and as I mentioned, this manual describes everything, and there is like this big round ring, and this is the digger. This digger comes with the case, and this is really a good quality case and good quality digger. You can see the pointed end. So this is a double pointer edge that can use, and it also have the marks for the inches that can see like how much inch you need to go. I will show you a little demo later on. And I was mentioning about the detector itself. So in the accessories, this also comes with the bag that you can use to store. This is the zipper bag with the shoulder strap that you can use. So you can put this in the corner, and then here it goes. It's a good size bag, and that can carry the metal detector. It comes with a pouch where you can store the batteries or any other material that you found. This cover is also like the waterproof, and the coil itself is also waterproof, so it's good and fun that kids and adults both can play with it. The good thing with this is the memory mode and the different function that I will show you. You can detect the all metal or the coins or the jewelry, and you can also have a memory that you can sense it with the memory that what type of metal you want to search, and it will search only that type of metal. It will be for that. So here is the coil that I mentioned. Here is the LCD. This is a big LCD display. I'm just removing the cover slip, and it uses a 9-volt battery that I will show you the demo later on. So you can put it in here and then put the 9-volt battery in. So once you put in the battery, you can see like the power button, and it will start. It's a big display and have all the function easily understandable. And for the volume control, you can control the volume with that volume button. It can goes like 3 or 4 times, and you can go with the sensor that you have to put this cable inside this monitor and the display, and you can see all the portion is coming on the top, like the all metal, coin, jewelry, memory mode, and all these things. This is the PP, is the pinpoint, so this will search where exactly is the anything. So let me try to assemble this product first, and you can see like it have a handle and it goes with that, so you have to remove the screws and put it. While I assemble it and you see this video, I can also tell you some other features for this metal detector. So these metal detectors have like 5 upgraded modes. That includes pinpoint mode, all metal discrimination, memory, and jewelry. So this have a memory mode that remembers one kind of metal and only detects that specific type, so and locate exactly what you want in far less time. And the other thing is that with the display that it have the volume control, it have the aux unit that you can put the headphones in your ear so that other people will not listen to that beep noise with the metal thing. and it have a 9.8 inch wide search coil, and you can see it's almost like 10 inch and can detect up to 10 inch underground. And I will show you later on that on the right hand side it shows like how much inside this detector is actually detecting. There is a sensor bar that you can choose the sensors. For indoor use it should be up to like 2 or 3, or for the outdoor use as well, that I will say that you have to put the sensors 2 to 3 points. But then if you want to go really deep, you need to go to the sensor up to the 5 level. So as I mentioned, this is a waterproof coil, so it can be used underwater, and I'm just putting in all this thing and the screws. And so for the depth and adjustability, you can adjust the depth indications for objects that are 2 inches, 4, 6, 8 with plus or minus. Easily fine tune for objects and conditions with the 5 grid sensitivity control. Gives you a lot control over accuracy. Then as accessories I mentioned that it have everything like a carry bag or the digger shovel or the pouch and everything, so it's good for you. And yeah, like pretty much it have all those things. So right now I'm just trying to put now this cable. You can rotate that cable around, and yeah. So pretty much almost done with this, and you can see the assembly of this metal detector. So here is the full accuracy, and once I put this cable around and put it into the sensor, it will start detecting. So I can say that it is really powerful, that as soon as I put this one, it start detecting even the nail under my carpet where I'm showing you this demo. So, and you can see it here as well, like here, that when it is detecting something like the sensor thing, so I'm just putting it at 2 or 3 at this moment, and then when it detects anything, that particular symbol will start blinking, and on the right hand side there will be the depth thing. So it also shows like how much battery or the power is left in the device, so you need to replace the battery, and it have all those parameters to check. And I am setting it up for the volume, and see, you can see like I'm just trying to detect, it is detecting the nails and it's showing like the waves it's coming, and that's how the target is blinking on the top. So see the nail, so the nails are blinking, and just trying to put some coins there, and then for the coins you can see like the different icons are blinking. So this is shows like it's detecting the different types of metal, it's coin, it's sands or nickel, or it's a nail. So here is what I show, like these 2 coins, and I try to look with that. Now I'm just trying to show you the outdoors. I'm taking this outdoor and putting these coins into the ground to show you how this will work. And you can see like it is easily finding the coins that I put in the ground. So with the detection, I see like it's really good and powerful. It actually detects the metals. It is actually detecting to the great depth my pipes below this yard. And so with the pinpointer you can see like the different the metals. If it is there, it will start blinking a lot with the pinpoint, and it will also detect some other things like the pipe I mentioned. So if you increase the sensitivity level, it can go like to detect even your pipe at 10 inch depth. So basically I like this metal detector. It's good, handy, lightweight, easy to carry, a lot of accessories comes with it. You can do it in a bag, and it's good for both kids and adults. And so basically it's fun, and you can play the whole long day even in the water. and the yard or the ground or the jungle or forest or woods or wherever you want to take this. It's easy. So here I'm just trying to show some fun that we have done with this trial, and the blinking of the different icon that shows in the modes. Hope you like this, and you will enjoy with this metal detector. Thank you.